Hi everybody, this is Peter at We Are Airstream of Chandler Superstore. Today we're going to showcase this 2021 Interstate 24GL. Obviously, all of our Interstates and our Atlas comes with an awning. It has LEDs here at the edge and also on the body as well. You have outlets right down here. Plenty of storage in the back. Even if the couch is then turned into a bed, you have a lot of storage right underneath here as well. So this is the Mercedes, guys, right here. My cameraman, Mikey, is sitting in one of the two seats behind the two cockpit seats. Intuitive steering, anti-collision, hands-free phone, navigation, radio or Sirius, that sort of thing. Right up above here also is the second of the two TVs, and then close its own sound system. So in this GL Class B right here, you have full-on sink, 2-burner stove, convection microwave, which is very handy and pulls out just like so, and then refrigerator and then freezer right up above. All of the Class Bs except for our Atlas also come with a wet bath. This particular one has its own mirror and also a beautiful teak floor. So I'm sitting in the couch at the back of the unit right now. As you can see, storage all throughout up above, and then quite a bit of storage underneath here as well. And then these two ottomans power and go together, and this couch also transforms. So from the very back of the coach all the way up to the kitchen wall is all bed. Airstream has thought of pretty much everything, putting technological advances right at your fingertips. Directional spotlights that just turn on with the push of a button, and then we have USB ports and charging areas throughout the coach. We have these keypads throughout the coach as well. Turn lights on and off, control your awning from a push of a button, control your temperature levels as well. So pretty much every control that you would need, we have it back here at the back of the coach, and also another one at the front. So this particular Interstate 24GL was meticulously cared for. It is available to be seen now. You can come on over to the store, check out our inventory on weareairstreamsuperstore.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.